kitchen style Matthew here. Oh, why do I have this lightsaber? I'm gonna show you how to make my chocolate banana loaf. Ta-da! Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now it's me, myself, and the ingredients. I'll show you what they are. All-purpose flour, cocoa powder, milk, white sugar, white vinegar, 1 egg, baking soda, sea salt. You have this vanilla extract, butter, 2 bananas, and finally, chocolate chips, optional. For your dry ingredients, combine in a medium bowl, 1.5 cup flour. So that's a lot of dust. 1/3 of a cup cocoa powder. That's this. Nice splash. 1 teaspoon of this baking soda. I think that might have been a bit too much, but. And 1 pinch of salt. All right, and then mix. In a small bowl, combine 1/3 of a cup softened butter, 2/3 of a cup sugar, white sugar, not brown. Cream together the butter and sugar with a wooden spoon. All right, put in your egg and whisk away. In a large bowl, combine 2 ripe bananas. Peel them in as well. Mash.
Really? It'll take a while.
You're gonna stir in your vanilla. 1 teaspoon of vanilla to be exact. And then 1/3 of a cup milk. And 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Might smell a little bad, but it's still part of this loaf. And then you're gonna have to whisk that in. Then we're gonna have to pour the butter mixture. So now we're gonna whisk it together. Going to put the 1/4 cup of chocolate chips into the dry mixture. Put the dry mixture into the wet mixture. Fold your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients with your spatula like this. Around and fold. Put the mixture into a prepared loaf pan. Okay guys, chocolate banana loaf ready. We're taking it out of the oven. See how it looks? Oh yeah, yeah, heck yeah. So what do I do now? Cut the cake. Okay, I will. Yum, this is good. You have good cutting skills. Oh, but I got chocolate on my robes.